my favorite aisle, the chip aisle. Oh, excuse me. I love chips. You can like literally buy me any bag of chips and I would be so happy. Excuse me. Oh my god. Oh, my stomach is just so bloated today. This is definitely my aisle right here. You got all the little ho-ho cakes, the honey buns, the little donut sticks, the pecan twirls. Oh my god, I can just literally live on this aisle. Ooh. Look what I found, guys. Corn nuts. My favorite. Oh, excuse me. Ooh. I'm gonna get these for sure. I'm gonna go before they kick me out of here.